Got the travel itch? Yeah, me too. That's why Feast on History is now online. This is our new front door. Inside, there's an activity feed with interaction and information. It's similar to Facebook, but without anyone's terrible politics. There are cooking videos, recipes, art history classes, live wine tastings. You can be a complete armchair traveler, or you can build your Italian bucket list for when travel resumes. The content is all organized in classes. Let's look at this one in particular, Mastering the Mediterranean Diet. It's filmed at our cooking school in Italy, and Chef Mario sends us a new cooking video every month. Our live classes happen via Zoom, but if you can't make it, no worries. Everything is recorded, and you can go back and watch them as many times as you like. Everything here is interactive, but especially the Arthur Avenue Cookbook Club, where you can upload your pictures and share your cooking adventures with others. Take a deep breath of Italian fresh air. This is the page where you join us. You'll get immediate access to all of our content and invitations to all of our upcoming live events. Have any questions? Send them right to me at Danielle@feastonhistory.com.